Is it necessary to do personal branding as a business owner? A few days ago, a business owner came to me and told me, Tarek, I have a physical business and I am doing so much well in my business, but now I want to shift in online. Is it necessary to do personal branding? I told him, just listen. In 2026, people don't only trust on logos, they trust the real human. When the audience can find out there is a human behind the Facebook page, they automatically trust on the page. In 2026, if you find out that any business got succeed, you will see that there is a person behind the page. When the customers or audience find out that there is a person behind the Facebook page, they start doing trust upon the page. They got emotionally connected with the Facebook page. Because your customer is not a robot or not AI, they are a human and human connects with human. Let me give an example. When I was a child, I used to watch movie like Bangla movie, any type of emotional movie. When I see any type of emotional scene, I start crying. Even I know that they are not real, they are just acting. But still, I was crying after watching the movie. Our brain respond with emotion. As we know that this is acting, but still our brain think that they are real. So think, when you find out that there is a human behind the Facebook page, how much connected you will feel. When people get connected with any brand, trust build automatically. And when trust build, it is very much easier to sell anything. Now let's talk about another powerful benefit. When you start doing personal branding, you will get many type of leverage. For suppose if you want to start another business in the future, there is no need to start from the zero. Because people already know who you are, people trust you, people trust your previous page. So if you launch another product, it will be sold out automatically. For an example, if any actor like Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan start any type of business today, they will automatically grow. Just they will launch the product in the market and over a night it will be sold out because they already gain trust and attention. In our country, there are so many examples that a person who is previously known or familiar in social media, when they start a new business, people like their product because they gain trust and their face is already familiar to the people. So the final message is personal branding is not optional in 2026. It's a compulsory thing if you are doing any type of business, and you will get so much leverage when you start doing personal branding. When you share your journey, your real mistake, your experience, everything on your page, people get connected emotionally. When people connects with you, they will trust you. When trust build, it is very much easier to sell anything.